Do you want to know how you can log into your xelex.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your xelex.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for xelex.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login page of Xelex, or else you can see Xelex over here and you can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click login. This way it will lead you to the login portal where you can write down your username or email address in this box and password in another one. After you write down your username and password, make sure they are correct and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your xelex.ai account. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, go ahead and click this link and write down your username or email address here. Click continue, and then our email will be sent to you by Xelex, and then you can recover your account once again easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your xelex.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.